Every single day, millions of people around the world consume turmeric thinking they are doing something great for their health. But what if I told you that most of them are getting little to no benefit at all? In fact, some might even be doing more harm than good. This may sound shocking, but it's absolutely true. Turmeric is often praised as a super spice. It's called the golden spice for its vibrant yellow color and its long history of use in traditional medicine. Cultures like India have used turmeric for over 4,000 years to treat countless ailments. Modern science now supports many of these ancient claims. Research has confirmed that turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin is where most of the health magic happens. Studies published in respected journals like the Journal of Clinical Immunology have shown that curcumin has strong anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial, and even anti-cancer properties. It can lower inflammation, which is the root cause behind many chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and arthritis. It can neutralize dangerous free radicals that damage your cells and speed up aging. It can support your brain by increasing levels of BDNF, a growth hormone that helps brain cells grow and stay healthy. It can also improve heart function by enhancing how your blood vessels work. And some lab studies even suggest that curcumin may slow down cancer cell growth. Sounds amazing, right? But here's where most people go wrong. Despite turmeric's impressive benefits, its key ingredient, curcumin, has extremely low bioavailability. That means your body struggles to absorb it into your bloodstream. Some studies have shown that when you take regular turmeric powder, as little as 1% of the curcumin gets absorbed. Yes, 1%. So while you might be sprinkling turmeric on your food, drinking turmeric tea, or even taking turmeric pills, most of it may simply pass through your system unused. Your body might not even get enough of the curcumin to make a real difference. This is why many people who start taking turmeric say, "I don't feel any different." And this low absorption isn't the only problem. When consumed incorrectly or in very high doses, turmeric can cause side effects. Some people experience digestive issues like nausea, diarrhea, or bloating. Others may notice thinner blood, which can lead to bleeding problems, especially if they're already on blood thinners like aspirin or warfarin. For people with gallbladder problems, turmeric might worsen gallstones or bile duct issues. It can also interfere with iron absorption, affect blood sugar levels, and interact dangerously with certain medications. Pregnant women are often advised to avoid high doses of turmeric because it might stimulate the uterus. And people preparing for surgery are told to stop taking turmeric at least 2 weeks before to avoid excessive bleeding. The truth is simple, turmeric is very powerful, but it must be used carefully. Now let's talk about the most common mistakes people make when consuming turmeric. Mistake number 1, taking turmeric alone. This is the biggest error. As we've seen, curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. Taking plain turmeric does almost nothing for most people. Mistake number 2, not adding black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine. Piperine has been shown to boost curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Without black pepper, you're missing out on nearly all the benefits. Mistake number 3, taking turmeric with water on an empty stomach. Curcumin is fat-soluble, which means it dissolves and absorbs better in fat than in water. Drinking turmeric tea or taking capsules on an empty stomach without fat leads to minimal absorption. Mistake number 4, taking too much turmeric. Some people think if a little is good, more must be better. That's not true. High doses can irritate your stomach and may cause dangerous interactions with medications. Mistake number 5, using low-quality turmeric. Not all turmeric powders are created equal. Some cheap brands contain very low amounts of curcumin or are contaminated with lead and heavy metals. Always choose high-quality, certified organic turmeric to ensure safety and potency. These are the mistakes that prevent people from getting real results. So, while people talk about turmeric as a miracle cure, many walk away disappointed because they never took it the right way. But don't worry, you can fix these mistakes starting today. First, let's understand who needs to be extra careful with turmeric. If you take blood thinners, consult your doctor before starting a daily turmeric routine. If you have gallbladder issues like gallstones, turmeric might make symptoms worse. If you suffer from ulcers, acid reflux, or other digestive problems, turmeric may irritate your stomach lining. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, always check with your doctor first. If you're planning any kind of surgery, stop turmeric at least 2 weeks before. And if you're on medications for diabetes, high blood pressure, or cholesterol, discuss turmeric use with your healthcare provider to avoid potential interactions. You see, turmeric is natural but not weak. It's a powerful herbal medicine that deserves respect. But here's the good news. When consumed correctly, turmeric becomes one of the most powerful natural protectors you can give your body. Daily consumption of turmeric, when done right, can provide long-term protection against many chronic diseases. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading causes of disease and early aging. By lowering inflammation, turmeric helps your body function better at every level, from your brain to your joints to your heart. Oxidative stress is another major enemy of your health. Free radicals damage your DNA and cells, leading to aging, cancer, and other serious problems. Curcumin's antioxidant power helps neutralize these free radicals. Brain health is another huge benefit. Curcumin may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease by reducing inflammation and plaque buildup in the brain. Some studies show curcumin can even boost mood and reduce symptoms of depression by increasing serotonin and dopamine. For heart health, curcumin improves the function of your endothelium, the thin layer of cells lining your blood vessels. This helps regulate blood pressure, prevent blood clots, and reduce heart disease risk. Some research even suggests that curcumin may slow down or stop cancer cell growth. It's not a magic bullet, but its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects create an environment that makes it harder for cancer to thrive. In one clinical trial, patients with precancerous lesions who took curcumin saw a 40% reduction in the number of lesions. For people with arthritis, turmeric has shown significant benefits. A study published in Phytotherapy Research found that turmeric extract worked just as well as ibuprofen for knee arthritis, but without the side effects associated with long-term use of painkillers. Many people also report that turmeric improves digestion, reduces gas and bloating, and supports gut health by reducing inflammation in the intestinal lining. Even your skin can benefit from turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties, improving conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Your immune system gets stronger too, helping you fight off infections more effectively. The potential benefits seem endless. But again, the key is proper use. The secret lies not just in taking turmeric, but in how you take it. With the right combinations and habits, you can turn this ancient spice into one of your most powerful daily health tools. Imagine lowering your risk of heart disease, cancer, joint pain, cognitive decline, and infections just by adding one simple habit to your daily routine. Turmeric isn't just another trendy supplement. It's one of nature's most researched and respected natural medicines. And once you know how to unlock its full power, it can truly change your life. The good news is that this doesn't require expensive treatments, fancy supplements, or complicated routines. All it takes is a few small adjustments that anyone can follow, even on a tight budget. And the best part? It works slowly, gently, and naturally over time. You won't see dramatic overnight results, but give it weeks or months of consistent use, and the benefits begin to show, and they keep getting better with time. This is why you see some people in cultures like India, who consume turmeric daily for decades, enjoying lower rates of chronic disease, stronger joints, and sharper minds even into old age. Their secret isn't some magic drug, it's the consistent daily habit of consuming turmeric properly. Now that you know why turmeric often fails for so many people, and the real science behind its benefits, let's shift into the practical part. Now that you understand the mistakes people make and the science behind turmeric, let's move into the solution. The good news is that you don't need to make huge changes to get the full benefits. You just need to follow a few simple methods that have been tested and proven by both tradition and modern science. The first method is the most basic, but also one of the most effective: combining turmeric with black pepper and healthy fat. This simple trick multiplies curcumin absorption dramatically. To do this, take about half to 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder. Add about 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Then mix it into a tablespoon of healthy fat such as extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, or ghee. You can stir this into your meals, soups, stews, or even take it straight like a tonic. The fat helps dissolve the curcumin because curcumin is fat-soluble, and the piperine and black pepper boost your body's ability to absorb it. This combination has been shown to increase absorption by as much as 2,000%. It's one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to take turmeric properly. The second method is golden milk, a time-honored drink that has been used for centuries, especially in Ayurvedic medicine. It's easy to make, tastes pleasant, and delivers turmeric's benefits in a highly absorbable form. To prepare golden milk, warm 1 cup of almond milk or coconut milk. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of coconut oil or ghee. For extra flavor and health benefits, you can add a pinch of cinnamon and a teaspoon of honey. Drink this mixture warm, preferably in the evening. Many people report that drinking golden milk before bed helps them sleep better, reduces joint pain, soothes inflammation, and improves digestion. The third method is taking high-quality turmeric capsules. Some people don't like the taste of turmeric, so capsules offer a convenient option, but not all supplements are created equal. Look for capsules that contain standardized curcumin extract with at least 95% curcuminoids. Also, make sure the supplement includes black pepper extract, often listed as piperine or bioperine. Without piperine, even the best curcumin extract may still suffer from poor absorption. Capsules are easy to take daily, and are especially good for people who have trouble fitting turmeric into their meals. Always take your capsules with meals that contain some fat to aid absorption. The fourth method is to include turmeric in your smoothies. This is a great option if you enjoy morning smoothies and want to add a health boost. Simply add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper into your smoothie. For added absorption, include a healthy fat like chia seeds, flax seeds, or a spoonful of nut butter. You can also add ginger, spinach, banana, and almond milk to create a nutrient-rich, anti-inflammatory smoothie that not only tastes great but supports your health in multiple ways. The fifth method is making a turmeric paste that you can store and use daily. This is very popular among people who want a ready-to-go option. To make turmeric paste, combine half a cup of turmeric powder with 1 cup of water, 1½ teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Heat the mixture gently while stirring until it becomes a thick paste. Let it cool and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. You can take a spoonful of this paste daily, mix it into warm water or tea, or add it to your cooking. The paste lasts for a few weeks and makes your daily turmeric routine very simple. Now let's talk about how much turmeric you should take. For general health maintenance and disease prevention, most experts recommend taking about 500 to 1,000 milligrams of curcumin extract daily. If you're using turmeric powder, this equals about half to 1 teaspoon per day. For therapeutic purposes such as managing arthritis or chronic inflammation, doses of up to 2,000 milligrams of curcumin extract may be used under medical supervision. Remember, more is not always better. Start with smaller doses and increase gradually while monitoring how your body responds. Now, what kind of results can you expect? Many people who take turmeric correctly report noticeable improvements within a few weeks to a few months. People with arthritis often experience reduced joint pain, less stiffness, and improved mobility after about 4 to 8 weeks of consistent use. Seniors report better memory, sharper thinking, and improved mood thanks to curcumin's effects on brain function and inflammation. Diabetics sometimes see better blood sugar control because curcumin can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, which plays a role in metabolic disorders. Those at risk for heart disease often find that their cholesterol levels improve, blood pressure stabilizes, and blood vessels function better after consistent turmeric use. In one study published in Phytotherapy Research, turmeric extract was shown to be as effective as ibuprofen in reducing knee pain in patients with osteoarthritis, but without the dangerous side effects associated with long-term use of pain medications. Many people also report better digestion, reduced bloating, less gas, and more regular bowel movements because turmeric supports gut health by reducing inflammation in the digestive tract. People with skin issues like eczema, acne, and psoriasis often see clearer, healthier skin after several months of consistent use, thanks to curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Your immune system also benefits, becoming stronger and better equipped to fight infections. With reduced chronic inflammation, your body can finally focus on healing and regeneration rather than fighting constant low-grade inflammation that drains your energy and weakens your defenses. One of the key things to remember is that turmeric works slowly but powerfully over time. You won't see immediate dramatic changes after 1 or 2 doses. Instead, you'll notice gradual improvements that build up with consistent daily use. This is why some of the healthiest populations in the world, such as those in India and parts of Asia, have lower rates of chronic diseases. They consume turmeric regularly, often as part of their daily meals for decades. It's not a quick fix but a long-term habit that protects their bodies from the inside out. The secret to turmeric's success is consistency. Whether you choose golden milk, capsules, smoothies, or the simple black pepper and fat combination, what matters most is making it part of your daily routine. Set a specific time each day to take your turmeric dose, whether it's with breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or as a soothing bedtime drink. Make it a ritual that you look forward to. As you continue using turmeric daily, your body will thank you with better energy, fewer aches and pains, stronger immunity, sharper thinking, healthier skin, and overall better well-being. Turmeric is not just another supplement trend, it's one of nature's most powerful healing gifts. And now that you know exactly how to take it for maximum absorption and benefit, you can start enjoying these life-changing results too. Now that you understand how to take turmeric properly, it's time to create a simple action plan you can follow every day. This plan is easy, anyone can do it, and if you stay consistent, you will see results. First, choose your preferred method. If you enjoy warm, soothing drinks, start with golden milk. It's easy to make, comforting, and very effective. Simply warm a cup of almond or coconut milk. Stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or ghee. Add honey or cinnamon for taste if you like. Drink it every night before bed. This not only helps your body absorb the turmeric but also improves your sleep. If you prefer quick and convenient options, choose high-quality turmeric capsules. Make sure the capsules contain 95% curcumin extract and include piperine for better absorption. Take them with your meals, especially those containing healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, or nuts. If you're a smoothie lover, simply add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and a spoon of flaxseed or chia seeds into your daily smoothie. Blend with banana, spinach, ginger, and almond milk for a delicious anti-inflammatory breakfast. If you cook often, sprinkle turmeric into your soups, stews, curries, rice, or roasted vegetables. Always combine it with black pepper and healthy fats. Cooking with turmeric makes it easy to build the habit naturally, or make a turmeric paste in advance. Store it in the fridge and use a spoonful daily in your meals, drinks, or teas. After you pick your method, the next step is consistency. This is the most important part. Turmeric works best when taken daily over a long period. Set a time in your day when you always take your turmeric. Morning with breakfast or evening with dinner works best for many people. Stick with it for at least 8 to 12 weeks before expecting major changes. Some people feel better within a few weeks. Others take longer. Everyone's body is different. The key is not to give up. Small improvements build up over time. Next, pay attention to how your body feels. If you notice any mild stomach upset, bloating, or discomfort, reduce your dose slightly and let your body adjust. Most people tolerate turmeric well, but a few need to start with smaller amounts. If you're taking any medications, especially blood thinners, diabetes drugs, or have any existing health conditions, always speak to your doctor before starting a daily turmeric routine. Safety always comes first. But for most healthy adults, daily turmeric is safe, gentle, and incredibly effective when done correctly. As you stay consistent, you may notice less joint pain, better digestion, stronger immunity, sharper thinking, improved mood, and even better skin health. You may find your cholesterol and blood pressure improving naturally. You'll likely experience fewer colds and infections. Your body will begin to heal and protect itself more efficiently as inflammation decreases. The beauty of turmeric is that it supports your entire system, not just one organ or symptom. It's a true full-body protector, and it does so naturally, without the harsh side effects that many medications carry. You are giving your body one of nature's most complete, well-researched, and safest long-term health tools. All you need is daily consistency, proper preparation, and a little patience. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated treatments. You just need to respect this powerful spice and use it the right way. In a world full of quick fixes and miracle cures, turmeric stands out as a simple, affordable, and scientifically backed way to protect your health. So start your turmeric habit today. Pick your method, stick to your routine, listen to your body, and enjoy the incredible benefits that come with this golden spice. Your future self will thank you every single day.